Hello guys, my name is Tahira Hassan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the Shopify store which my client wants to pause because she is going to travel around the world and that's why she cannot take orders. So she want me to pause his store rather than deactivate or simply close it. So let me tell you how I have to make it pause. So let's go to his store. So here is the setting option. Then you have to go into the plan. Then here is the option of deactivate store. I will not make it deactivate. Rather than here will be an option of pause and want to work on creating the store or want to do something. So I simply do that. So that's why it's already in that state. I can show you on the other side. So when I will click on change plan, here you will see a notification you are currently on the pause and bill plan. So that's it. So this way you can simply pause the Shopify store. Let me show you how it's working. So this is the website where the store is working. So these are the products which are coming from Shopify store. So you can see that I can explore the products, but let me add to cart. So when I will click on checkout, it will show me the message. Checkout. So here you can see that the store is not taking orders right now. So for the time being, the client is not willing to take any orders or to process them. So the store will remain open. You can explore the products, but the customer cannot buy any product. So it's quite useful rather than deactivate the store or simply close the store. You can simply pause it and it can deactivate, and the payment applied on the post date is also less than the other subscripted plans. Hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you so much.